In this video, I'll show you how to remove the cup holder that is on your BMW X3 from 2003 to 2010. So take a flathead screwdriver and we need to glide it on this trim that is on the surround of the cup holder. Unclip it simply by going all around, and just like that you'll be able to remove it completely. Here we go. Perfect. Set this aside. You see there are some clips holding it in place. And now the cup holder, you just need to glide it. Open it, take it like that, wiggle it, and it will come out completely. And yeah, this is it. You see, you'll be able to replace it in case it was broken. To put it back, you just have to slide it completely in, put it in a closed position, take the bezel, and same thing, just clip it back. Try starting by the top part first.